So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about the 18th December's exam prediction of IELTS. Let's just talk about listening. For the listening part 1, fill-ups can be seen and the level of the fill-ups will be easy. For the part 2, we can see short MCQs and map and the level will be easy. For the part 3, large MCQs can be there, and also the level of large MCQs, part 3, will be easy. For the part 4, we can say fill ups, which will be of one word, and the level would be easy to moderate. Overall, the level of listening will be easy. Now, let's just talk about reading. For the section 1, we can say fill ups and list of headings, and the level of the section 1 will be easy. For the section 2, we can say MCQs and fill ups, and the level would be moderate. For the section 3, we can see match the following information and summary, and the level for the section 3 will be moderate. Now let's just talk about writing task 1. For the writing task 1, we can see pie, table, and process. For the task 2, there will be agree, disagree, discuss both views, and problem solution essay.